What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did this mauve and purple and navy blue half cut crease eye look, and I added on a little bit of white liner to define the half cut crease because I thought that'd be really fun and really cute, and I don't know, I just felt like doing it. So yeah, if you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, beauty babes, so first I'm taking out my Airspun loose face powder and just putting it all over my face to set my foundation. Next, I'm pulling out my Maybelline New York Master Contour Kit, and I'm just going to be doing my contour. And then I'm pulling back out my Airspun loose face powder, and I'm just going to be putting it underneath my eyes and on my jawline. Okay guys, so I'm pulling out my 35B Stunning Vibes Morphe palette. And the first color I'm going to be pulling out is the color Heat, and I'm just going to be putting that on my crease. Next, I'm going to be going into the color Wild Thing and just putting that also on my crease. And then finally, I'm going to be pulling out the color Bad Boy and also putting that on my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking the color Knockout and putting it on my brow bone. Finally, moving on to our eyelids, I'm going to be going back into the color Bad Boy and putting it on the outer corner of my eye. And then finally, I'm going to be going into the color Hit It Off and putting it on my eyelid. And then I'm going to be taking the color Rendezvous and putting it on the inner corner of my eyelid. Okay guys, and now I'm taking out my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the color Snow. I'm going to be drawing on above my crease, basically like a quarter of a circle. You'll understand what I mean when I do it. And then I'm going to be taking out my NYX Professionals, that is the point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and drawing a wing. Okay guys, and now that we are done with that, I'm going to pull back out my Stila eyeliner, and I'm just going to be drawing a line underneath my wing. I'm taking back out the color Wild Thing, and I'm just going to be putting that all the way underneath my eyes. And before we do anything else, I'm going to be taking out my L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner in the color White Blank, and I'm just going to be putting that on my waterline. And then I'm just going to be going into the color Bad Boy and putting it really close to my waterline, but not, because I can't then you'll get eyeshadow in your eyes, so yeah. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to go do the other eye off camera, and then we'll finish everything else. Okay guys, so I finished my other eye, and before we do anything else, I'm going to be pulling out this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Cottage Cheese, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of it with this little sponge brush and putting it in the inner corner of my eye. And then next I'm pulling out my Queen Supreme MAC palette, and I'm just going to be using the highlighter. Next, I'm pulling back out my Maybelline New York Master Contour Kit, and I'm just going to be using the blush. Now I'm pulling out my Maybelline New York Last Sensational Mascara. And finally, I'm pulling out my Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the color Queen Bee. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests, or review requests, or song requests, or anything like that. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be all located over here. It'll also be linked down below. Speaking of linked down below, my latest video will be linked down below, which you should definitely check it out. It is also underneath me right now, playing. If you guys would like to subscribe to my channel, it is the subscribe button down below, obviously. And make sure that you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Bye bye, beauty babes. Love you!